G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Hey, I've got a lot for you people to view. Subscribe to my channel. You'll be taught everything I know. I don't claim to know absolute everything out there, but I know enough to get by. I've been doing this for 35 years, so I can certainly get by, but things change all the time. Subscribe and see what I can teach you. See you soon. G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm about to screed this bathroom floor, and this is the new one on me, like I said in my preview just before I came on here. Now this, I haven't seen this strip drain before. It's a new one on me and I reckon it's pretty cool. Right, so I asked for an 800 long strip drain, either 100 mil wide or 75 mil wide, with a 50 mil dropper, and that's exactly what I got. Usually I can trim them to length and position my hole wherever I want to, depending on where the plumber has put the pipe. But he accidentally put it in the right place for me. He put it exactly actually where I said. This has got a bit of slope in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's molded and they've pressed it into the strip drain itself, so it's got runoff, which is brilliant. Excellent, actually. So the water won't sit there. I get that level, I get that dead level, and the water will not sit in that strip drain. It'll run off. This is a brilliant idea. The little basket to clean it out. Brilliant. Brilliant. So where I position it now, I position it evenly and I slope those tiles. The way I'm going to be working out my fall, or the height of my screeded slab, is I have a tile going into that strip drain there. If I set it in position now where it is, I've got enough room for my tile to go there, and I want to give it quite a decent slope, so that's going to be my finished height of my tile there. So if I can explain it another way, that there is my finished height of my tile, and that there is my finished height of my tile. That is the fall. Each piece of those is 4.5 mil, so 4 3s are 12, 13 and a half. I've got 13 and a half mil fall, and I want to fall it 2 tiles out, which is I'm using a 600 by 600 tile, so I'll be coming out to there. There's 1200, so that's where my fall will start. You walk in the door, you won't be tripping over that because it's only slight. The glass will be coming out it should come out a metre, I reckon a bit more, 1200. Or 1100. 1100. That gives you a bit of room there. So if the glass comes out 1100, it won't come any further, the water won't come any further than, say, I would go 1200 because the shower is there. I would bring it to 1200. Out from the wall. A lot of times the shower is on that wall, so the water is falling down there, but it doesn't make any difference, I don't reckon, because you're standing here and having it could even just tilt slightly. You're having a shower here. You're not standing on the strip drain, which is cool. So everything's going to work out nice. Here, I will be falling it like that. There will be the strip drain there, and I'll be falling it like that either side. You'll see when I do my mud, I'll be explaining it. And it'll be going to nothing like that. I'll show you, and that's all falling to the waste. I'll be showing you that shortly as well. All right, I'll come back soon once I start doing my height pads. I've set up my laser right around. I make a mark here, or where's my couch potato's probably going, oh, he's not squaring it with a square. Well, couch potatoes, I don't need to. That's square. So then I go off that line. I get a piece of tile and I go exactly to that height all the time. So that there is the top of my tile, and that there is the top of my tile. See you soon.